Hello, little friends. Today we are going to draw a cute kitty cat. Are you ready? Let's grab a pencil and start drawing together. Let's draw a big round shape, like a circle. This is the kitty's face. Now draw a big oval under the face. That's the kitty's body. Good job. Let's draw 4 little legs under the body. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiny legs for walking. Tap, tap, tap. That's the kitty's body. Good job. Now let's draw 2 big round eyes. 1 circle here and another circle there. Make them big and shiny. So cute. Draw a tiny triangle nose in the middle. Now add a little smile. Curve, curve. Our kitty is happy. On top of the head, let's draw 2 little triangle ears. One on the left and one on the right. Yay! Our kitty can hear. Now let's draw a long curly tail. Start here, curve it around, swirl, swirl. Wow, what a fancy tail. Let's add some fun stripes. On the head and on the tail. Stripe, stripe, stripe. Time to color. Use yellow for the kitty's body and orange for the stripes. Color, color, nice and slow. Wow, you did it! Look at your cute little kitty. Give your kitty a name and say, meow, meow. Great job, little artist. Wow, look, look, look! Your kitty is alive!